Hey guys, what is up? It's Destro here, and today I'm going to be doing a bit of a how to set up a botnet video. I don't condone you guys just to randomly go out there, set up botnets, and do whatever the fuck you feel like. This is just for educational purposes. Now that we're through all the legal shit, let's get started with actually making the botnet. I'm using a free host, unlimitedmb.com, to do this, just because it's the first free host that I found that actually allows me to upload the files that I need, so it's being a lot easier for me. What you're going to want to do first is make sure that it allows you to create MySQL databases and allow you to do an FTP file manager and all that crap. The files that you're going to need are going to be in the video description link. I'll probably forget to upload them. Just go ahead and comment if I do, and I'll have them up within a couple of hours or the next day, because sometimes I forget to upload those files. First things you want to do is go to File Manager. It's going to take forever to load. Go to your website. And you want to browse for the web panel files that you need to upload. That will be inside of the folder that I have. That will be in the description and all that shit. Oops. Oh shit, I gotta find it. There it is. Web panel, and then you just want to upload this. It's all of this stuff right here, except for put it into a web panel little box, and just upload those. Okay, now it's done uploading and all that. I kind of skipped through it to save you all the trouble. The files that I have, you don't need to run the install, because if you go into here, the folder should be empty. It's already pre-installed and everything's already set up. All you have to do is go into the INC folder here, click on Edit Connections, and you want to go through here and change up the MySQL information, such as your DB host, which you can find if you create a MySQL database by going here, MySQL databases, create a username and a password for it. Alright, now that's completed. Just wait until everything loads up and all that crap, and you have your database name, username, and all that. So you can go back over here. My server name is MySQL, not localhost. So click on that. Control V that. Control V this too, for the DB name and for the DB user. Now for the DB pass, I just have it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then just check it over really quick, make sure everything's okay, click Save File. This will update all of your MySQL files. That way this can actually use MySQL to save some of the shit that your botnet uses. Alright, so now that you have those files edited, what you want to do is go back from the MySQL and go to the PHP MyAdmin, and from there you're just going to upload the MySQL commands, and then it should run the queries for you. Okay guys, once your MySQL is loaded, you want to go into the table that you just created, import, or not the table, the database, so go to browse, and from here you go to web panel, SQL, and you want to upload vertex.net, assuming that you're using vertex.net botnet. From there, I'll just simply upload the small text file that you have, and it will execute SQL commands that set up the tables and everything for you. That way you don't have to go through and do it all yourself. So now you have all these commands and all this stuff here. After that, go to index.php, and everything should be pretty much set up for you. Alright, there you go. Sorry, this web page or this host puts ads. So the usual password is root, or username is root, and the password is TOOR, so it's root backwards, and then you click log into panel, and then that'll take you to the panel for it. Alright, so now the next thing you want to do is to actually set up the what is it, the server or the loader that you would use. Is you just open up the VN Builder, go to web settings, and enter your website. Mine would be right here, and I'd paste that in there. Well, it's like I didn't paste correctly. Alright, so now you just take off that little add user part, paste it there, and put another slash behind it. So now, if you're using the one that I'm using right here, that you downloaded from my video, it will have this root website, which you want to replace http// with www. Sometimes it doesn't work if you use http, but yeah, just use www, it's better. And then for the website path, you want to add the /add user, which is where the bots will register. That way you can actually have them register to the website, and you'll be able to keep them on your botnet. On the loader settings, process mutex is just random bullshit. You just type in a couple of things. As the installer, I like to use Windows ACC APP just because it looks more legit. And then for here, Windows ACC APP. And you can put this in multiple things. You can put this in the program files, app data, all that kind of stuff, temporary, startup, everything you want. I like to put it there in the startup directory because then that means it's going to start up with the computer no matter what. Now there's multiple things you can use here. I prefer just using a .bat, or you can use a .exe, whichever one you want to do. If you use a .bat, I don't believe you can have an icon, so using a .exe may be more your fancy. After that, just click build. I'm just going to name it server.exe. And then from here, you'll have, wherever you saved it, you'll have it as server.bat or whatever extension you actually used at the end part. So now when they run this, I'm just going to run it in sandbox, that way I don't infect myself. Hold on, I'll be right back. Sorry about that, it was a funny commercial. So now that I have it running in Sandbox, I should show up on my own computer, or on my own botnet with all that information. So I'm going to go to Vertex, refresh, or not refresh, let's click on user list, now refresh the user list, and I should pop up right here in the front page. If it ever loads. Damn this internet. Okay, now that I refreshed the page finally, it took forever to load because my internet's really slow. You can see that I showed up inside the BotNET. This is my computer and everything here. There's my full name, dox me, doxing, most stupidest thing ever. Anyways, there's everything that you need to know about all this stuff. It's got multiple commands that you can use. If you have any trouble with commands, you can always use command slab right here. That's how you how to use everything that you need to use on Vertex NAT loader. Anyways, that has been the tutorial. Make sure you guys comment, rate, subscribe, give it a blowjob, whatever the fuck y'all want to do. Peace out.